In many of my workplace compliance courses, you know how much I love using impromptu, yet appropriate placed humor. Because let's be honest, some workplaces are so serious, you think a copy machine wrote everyone's performance evaluations. But great leaders know something important. Humor isn't unprofessional. Humor is disarming, connecting, and culture shifting. Used well, it lowers defenses and makes you relatable. Used poorly, well, that's how HR gets involved. Here's why humor works. A good laugh does 3 things leaders desperately need. Number 1, it builds trust. People follow leaders who feel human, not robotic. Number 2, it reduces stress. Humor lowers tension before conflict can escalate. And number 3, it boosts engagement. People remember and respond to leaders who make the environment enjoyable. Humor is like WD-40 for workplace friction. It loosens everything up. Here's how leaders can use humor effectively. Number 1, punch up, not down. Never joke at someone's expense, especially someone with less power. You want laughs, not lawsuits. Number 2, keep it clean, keep it kind. Your goal is fun, not discomfort. If your joke needs an HR disclaimer, skip it. Number 3, use humor to connect, not distract. A quick, well-timed joke can ease tension before a tough conversation. Just don't use humor to avoid accountability or avoid issues. Number 4 happens to be my favorite. Let humor support your message. When you make people laugh, you open the door for them to listen. Humor isn't the message, it's the delivery system. And number 5, be yourself. If you're not naturally funny, don't force it. Authenticity beats awkwardness every time. Here's your challenge. This week, inject a little lightness into your leadership. Start a meeting with something fun. Use humor to break tension. Let people see that leadership doesn't mean losing your personality. Because humor isn't about being the office comedian. It's about creating an environment where people feel safe, supported, and energized. And that's your 3-minute brief. As always, subscribe for more leadership insights. Share this with someone who could use a laugh, and then drop a comment. What's the funniest, and of course appropriate, thing you've seen a leader do that actually made the workplace better? I'll see you on the next one.